What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys these simple tips that will make it possible to work for your dream while still working in your job. Are you ready to work for your dream? If you are, then make sure you keep watching. It is not easy to follow your dreams. It takes dedication, sacrifice, and more importantly, time. Most of us have payments and a lot of responsibilities to ourselves and our family. According to most of us, the way to make dreams come true is to quit our job and focus only on our dreams. But it is known that we'll not be able to financially power if we quit our job, which is our source of income. Contrary to what people think, with the right attitude and determination, it can be surprisingly simple to make your dreams come true without quitting your job. Alright, let's talk about the first tip, and that is self-assessment. Let your dream infiltrate you. Singers sing, writers write, entrepreneurs create. Keep in mind that there is nothing to stop you from pursuing your dreams. Ask yourself how much you want and how much you can sacrifice. If you know what you want, you will never lose your way. The next one, stop lying to yourself. You don't have to pretend to be an ambitious artist to pursue your dreams. It is easy to get discouraged by thinking that your parents or boss won't support you. But once you get to work, you will be surprised to see those who support you. So we come to the next tip, seeing your job as a sponsor, not an enemy. Whatever your dream is, it will be a financial burden on you. Even writers or musicians cannot earn income until they reach a particular stage. They even have to cover their expenses. Even entrepreneurs spend every penny to account for their ideas to get the right investors. How will you be able to meet these expenses without your job? So you need to accept your job is your friend and your sponsor, not an enemy. Let's look at the tip number 4, priorities. 40 hours overtime and even more so for your other obligations. What is the time left to chase your dream? You have the answer. Two things in life determine your freedom: time and money. Maybe you won't be able to go out 3 nights a week, or maybe you won't be able to get those shoes you want. You will say that it will happen if it is not whatever it's, but it will allow you to continue on your way. Okay, the next, identify targets and deadlines. You know what you want. You provided time and money discipline, and now you are ready, aren't you? Unfortunately, you are not. It is hard to do anything important if your goal is just to earn more or think more. Challenge yourself. Set deadlines, rules, and criteria for your project. It is like writing 5,000 words a day or sending a certain number of emails per day to prospective business partners. After each goal you reach, increase the goal and watch how the pieces fall into place gradually. And the other tip, use your free time wisely. Spend your free time engaging in relevant activities. Find articles, videos published by other professionals in your field. Look at the work they do. Practice, read, write, just don't be idle. No matter what your dream is, the only thing you should not do is waste your time. As an entrepreneur, you can lose your money and can earn more back. But for time, this is impossible. So use your time wisely. Now, at this point of this video, before we dive into more tips, I want to put a disclaimer and say that using your time wisely is a bit harder at the beginning. But if you plan your time and try to follow your plan strictly, so over time you will get better at controlling your time. Anyways, in my next clip I am going to talk about more tips. Then let's go. Okay, we are at tip number 7, and that is meeting highly motivated people. You are not alone in your pursuit of success. There are countless people in the same situation as you, and these people can increase your motivation significantly. You can use your social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube to reach people who have the same thought and co-motivation as you. You can follow the forums or attend group meetings. However, it's not enough to meet highly motivated people. Also, you need to expand your network. Let me explain to you. While people in the same situation as you may be motivating for you, they may not provide the important connections you need. It is essential that you connect with experts in your field, find mentors, and draw on their experience as much as possible. Online communities and meetups are a great way to meet people, so keep your eyes open. You never know where your best business contacts you will come across. We are coming to close. Tip number 9, and that is making arrangements. Live at the financial level that both your job and your dream allow. Also take into account your dream when making future planning or purchasing. Make the necessary arrangements to follow your dream without being a burden to anyone. And let's go through the next one. Abandon the myth of I succeeded. Success has no taste or smell. If there is no one around you to share when you reach it, there is also no point in success. Likewise, there will never come a time when you will stop working anymore. Living the dream means working on dream in a sense. Refuse to believe the legend of all right, now I'm done, and do not slow down at the end of the race. And lastly, if you want to be a part of my success story on YouTube, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Thank you for all your support. Anyways guys, I hope that this video helped you see how you can work for your dreams without leaving your job. If you got to this part of the video, let me know by saying let's make dreams come true in the comment section, because I want to turn things around for you. Make sure to grow quickly and that you reach your goals quickly as well, because being an entrepreneur is no joke, and let's make sure you are willing to pay the price for it. If you want more videos around international trade, business and global marketing, then make sure to click these 2 videos that I have right here as well. I promise they will not disappoint. As always guys, I appreciate you and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.